In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp templates effectively. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or just want to make your project management easier, understanding how to utilize ClickUp's templates is a great place to start. So let's dive into this together. First, let's talk about accessing the Template Center. The Template Center is your go-to resource for finding and managing templates within ClickUp. To get started, look to the sidebar in your ClickUp workspace. You'll notice a little plus sign next to where you manage your spaces, folders, and lists. Click this and then select Use Templates from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can access the Template Center directly when you're working within views or tasks. This flexibility allows you to find templates where you're already working, without needing to break your workflow. Once you're in the Template Center, you'll see a wide array of templates available for use. Here, filtering becomes your best friend. Depending on what you're looking to achieve, you can narrow down your choices by filtering templates by type. Options here include tasks, lists, folders, spaces, docs, views, checklists, and whiteboards, among others. Need something specific from someone or a certain team? You can further personalize your template search by filtering by creator or department. This feature is particularly helpful in larger organizations with templates created by different teams for varying functions. Now, let's explore how to apply these templates. As you hover over each template, you're given two main options: quick use and a more detailed preview. If you want to instantly apply a template, simply click on Quick Use. This will apply the template as is to your current workspace, perfect for when you're in a rush or familiar with what's included in the template. However, if you want to explore the template in more detail before committing, click through for a preview. This option allows you to see what's contained within the template, giving you a clearer picture of how it will fit into your workflow. And remember, every time you choose to use a template, you have the option to rename it. Renaming is an excellent way to keep your templates organized and easily identifiable for future use. If the template holds sensitive or shared information, you might also want to select specific share settings to control access accordingly. By taking advantage of ClickUp's templates, you can enhance the efficiency of your project management and maintain organized workflows. Try it out for yourself and see how it transforms the way you work. Thank you for tuning in to learn about ClickUp templates, and happy organizing!